Hey man, what's going on, man? This your man Curry, Chef Curry, that is. Man, I love to eat, man. So I'm with my boy Avenue, man. Say what's happening to the people, man.
What's good? What's good? Y'all probably can't see me. I'm extra dark skin.
That's all right, man. We faded right now, man. Let me get this situated, man. I ain't gonna edit this shit out. See, I'm fucking up. Take this blunt, man. So I love to eat good food, man. Good cuisine and shit, man. So we gonna start this shit off right, man. Cause my man's gave me an idea of this shit, man. So we Taco Mat, right?
Yeah, Taco Mat. So if you ever in Georgia and you want some good eats, hopefully Taco Mat in Decatur, Georgia is the spot for you to go.
That's it, man. Downtown Decatur. Man, we ain't adding none of this shit out, man, because this day one, man.
Day one.
By the time day 100 come, man, you know what I'm saying, it's going to be a thing in the past, man. So, yeah, we're going to go to Taco Mat, downtown Decatur. We're going to see what the food here like. You know what I'm saying? I'm all about the food, man, because I pregame before I go anywhere. I gives a fuck.
Chef Curry Reviews featuring Avenue.
Yes, sir. All right, man, what's going on, man? I'm back, man. This your boy, Chef Curry, man. I am at Taco Mat, downtown Decatur. I'm with my man, Avenue, behind the camera, man. That's my bro. So, man, it's been a long time since I've been here, man. You already know Taco Mat is what it is, man. But I'm doing that exclusive, taste test of everything that's going on right now, man. So right now, I just ordered a drink. Man, we getting this pineapple inside out cake, man. Plantation pineapple rum. Bacardi Superior. I don't even know what that is. Superior sound like it's strong. Fresh lemon juice, pineapple juice, man. Spiced cherries, man. You know what I'm saying? There's some vanilla simple syrup, man. It's crazy. Yeah, that's the one, man. Pineapple inside out. So this is boy, once again, Chef Curry, man, my boy Avenue behind the lens, man. So I was sipping my drink and everything, man. I was thinking to myself, like, damn, man, it's good, but it's missing something. So had to hit it with a little ginger beer. My favorite brand of ginger beer, that Fever Tree, man. Ain't nothing better than this, man. And need a little bit of fizz, need a little bit of spice. You know what I'm saying? So I done whipped it in real quick.
I got all the way nachos, beef. What you got over there, brother?
I got the Cajun spicy something. It's Cajun and it's hot with some wing sauce. I got the 10 piece with the blue cheese. I like blue cheese, man. I like that color. Mozzarella sticks, I ain't gonna lie to you, hands down right now. The best. Not only is it a real deal, like mozzarella stick, not that kid size shit, this is a real deal bar of adult stuff. It's hot and it's cheesy when you bite on it. You know what I'm saying? It's a real deal, yeah. First bite into this chicken wing, man. I'm gonna get into it butt ass naked first. It's got that sweetness, man. Like as soon as you bite into it, man, it hits you right in the nose, man. Like I like that. It got that spice. It got that sweetness to it. I'm gonna cool it down just a little bit. You got that blue cheese back to it. That's it right there, man. I need my vegetables too, you know. That it right there. I got a scale of 1 to 5 on it. 5 stars is absolutely incredible. 1 star is that boo-boo. Anything in between, they can work on it, but I'm going to still mess it away. I came to this Taco Mat a lot of times, man, over the last few years, man, and I am going to say, I'm going to give them a 3 out of 5. I mean, at the end of the day, it's still bar food, man. You know, it's not that top quality, but it's most definitely some really good bar food. I mean, my man had the ultimate all-the-way nachos. I can legitimately say the best nachos I've ever had. Cajun sweet spicy wings. It's actually good, man. It's a different sauce. I mean, I like my food extra hot. It's literally right there. Like, I mean, the spice on it is incredible. I taste the Cajun spice, the blackened seasoning. I taste the sweetness. I got to have my blue cheese, add a little funk to it just to cool it down a tad bit. My man's hooked us up with bottled waters because he most definitely saw that we pregame before we came in here, man. You got to work smart, not hard, but... It's your man Curry Boy, my boy Avenue, like always, man. Taco Mac, downtown Decatur. This number one. This video number one. They only get better, man. I swear to God, they gonna get better, man. Just lock in, hit the subscription button, hit the bell, share it. Taco Mac, downtown Decatur, bro. They gonna take you right.
They
gonna take care of you. Let them know. Yeah, son. Like and subscribe, my man.
I wanna practice making babies. I'm coming through, babe. Girl, it's so down.